Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to my computer video. So, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel so that you can get the videos quickly. So if any video I upload, then you will get the video quickly. So I request you to subscribe the channel. So now today we'll start the pointing. What is called the pointing? This is our next topic. So we are doing the chapter using formulas, in MS Excel. So in the previous video I have explained you what is formula and how it is used. Now here today pointing means what? You know, these are the cells, right? So these are the cells, these are the rows, and these are the columns. So now how can you name the cell? Like B and 2. So this cell name is what? B2. Like this I have explained in the last video. Then what is called pointing? An easier method of adding a cell reference to a formula is to click on the cell instead of typing the cell address. So what is the easier method of adding a cell reference? That means to a formula you have to type the cell address instead of clicking. This method is called pointing. After typing equal to, do not type B2. Click on the cell B2. Here see, after typing equal to, here equal to sign is there. So you have, this is a formula bar where you have to type the formula. So after typing equal to, do not type B2 here. Do not type. You have to click on the B2 cell. So where is the B2 cell? This is the B2 cell. B2. So B2 cell. So you have to click here by the mouse. A moving dashed border called a marquee will appear around the B2. See, it is a moving dash border. When you see in the computer, this border is moving. Dot line will be there. So it will appear when you click here after writing equal to here. So a moving dash border is called marquee. The status bar will display a status of point. So in the status bar, you will see it will display a point. Status bar is in where? In the bottom. So here in the screen bottom is not given. So now type plus and click on the cell C2. Now type plus. After typing plus, after writing plus, click here on the cell C2. This is the C2, C2. Then type plus again and click on D2. Here click. Cell E2 will now have the same formula. Now this cell E2 is this cell E and 2. So we'll have the same formula like this. See, equal to B2. It will automatically come here. Understood? So cell E2 will now have the same formula as in figure 1.3. Now press enter to see the value. Now after that, when you press the enter, you will get the total value here. They will add all the numbers and here the value will appear. This is one method of pointing. Now next is text formulas. What is the meaning of text formulas? So you know the formulas are used in numbers only, right? In maths subject you have seen formulas are used for numbers. But what is text formula? Here also formulas are used for numbers, but one topic is given a text formula. Text means what? The words, the letters, the sentence. So how the formulas are used for text? So what is text? A text string or a text value is a sequence of characters. Characters means the alphabets. So text string or text value, text means the word. So it is a sequence of characters on which you cannot do operations. So on any letter, on any word, have you done any plus minus operations? No, it is not possible. So you cannot do operations like subtraction, multiplication or division. We cannot do any mathematical operation on the words, like, right? So however, you can join strings together, but what can you do with the text, with the words? You can join the two words, join the three words. This is the formula. This is called the concatenation. This process is known as what? Concatenation. We use the ampersand. Ampersand means this and sign. You know this and sign. So actually this sign is called ampersand sign. So we use the ampersand character to concatenate string. That means to join any string, to join any word, to join any text, we write this one. This ampersand sign we give to join this. For example, if you type equal to, always you have to give, because beginning of the formula is what? Equal to sign. Equal to, then inverted comma, work. So this is one word, and this is what? Ampersand sign, and again ampersand sign. Hard. That means you want to join these two words. Okay, you want to make this together. So you have to give what? Ampersand sign in between them. Then only they will be joined. So in a cell and press enter. Now you have to write like this in a cell and press enter. You will see the result like this. Work hard. See, now these both the words are joined together. Work hard. How they are joined? By this symbol, ampersand symbol, and this is called concatenation, string concatenation. Understood? Now this is the text formula. So let us consider an example to understand how to use the ampersand character. In this example, we will enter a formula that will display a sentence with information from the table. So you will see one example how the ampersand characters are used in this table. Okay, so this example is showing what? Suppose you want to join many words together and want to make a sentence. Okay, so how can you make a sentence by joining the words? Suppose this cell is what? This cell is this highlighted cell, this black color. That means it is highlighted, it is selected. The cell name is what? A, and this is 8. So A8. So address of the cell is A8, right? Now here you can see the table is given, the names are given, salary is given, deduction is given. Deduction means it will be subtracted from the salary. So 10% will be subtracted from the salary, and finally the total amount is this one. Net salary, final salary is this one. So what to do here? You want to join the words and make a sentence in this cell. So how to do? Click the cell in which you want the result of the formula to be displayed. So click any cell in which cell you want to display the result. So suppose in cell 8, so you have to click the cell 8. You have to select the cell 8, A8. Then after that, you have to write the formula. What is the formula? Always you have to start with equal to. So you have to write the formula here or here. Okay, in the formula bar. So type equal to B3. B3 means what? B and 3 is here. This one is 3. That means Anamika. First of all, B3 means what? The value of B3 is what? Anamika. Okay, and that means it will join this B3 with this one. Got a net salary of rupees. Now see this, the word should be inside the inverted comma. See, this B3 is not inside the inverted comma because this is not a value. You have to understand it properly, because a value cannot be a address cannot be written inside the inverted comma. Only the value can be written inside the inverted comma only. Okay, the words or values. So B3, so here the value of B3 will come Anamika. Now got a net salary of rupees. Now and again you have to join this one and E3. E3 means E and 3, this one salary. Okay, 22500. It will add this E3 and after this again this word. So inside the inverted comma, and again it is joined with D3. D3 is what? D3, 10%. And again it is joined by and deduction. So deduction is the word, so you have to give inside the inverted comma. So now after writing, you can see this written inside this cell. Okay, A8 cell it is written, and here also in the formula bar it is written. Now you have to press the enter key by the keyboard. Okay, then what will happen? See, after you press the enter key, what will happen? See, the whole line is printed here, whole line is written here. Okay, that means Anamika got a net salary of rupees 22,500 after 0.1 deduction. See how it is came. So this is called concatenation. This is called the joining of text. This is called a text formula. How can you join the letters and write one line, one sentence? See, B3 in the formula, what you have written? B3. So what is the value of B3? Anamika. See, then we have written E3. E3 means this salary 22500, and D3, that means this one 10%. So in this way it is written in one cell. Okay, so it's very interesting to write the words, the letters joined together. Understood? So students, I think you have understood this text formula, how to join the words together and write in one sentence. So see, one sentence is written here. If you want to write all about 3 Jolly, Nirmit and Simran, about this also you want to write, then what do? You have to select this and drag by the mouse. See, drag the fill handle to cell up to A11. So from where to where you want to write all the lines, so click by the mouse and drag like this. Okay, then it will fill all the lines. See, all the persons sentence is written like Anamika. So Jolly got a net salary of this. So same sentence will be written. Okay, like this. So it is very easy to write all the sentences in one way. So it is very shortcut. First of all, you have to write the formula of one, only one. Then no need to write the formula for other ones. Okay, only you have to write the formula one time, and you can drag. When you drag it, all others result will be shown like this. Okay, so it is very easy. So this topic I have explained today. Read it carefully. Very interesting topic, and practice in your home. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.